The beautiful world around us. Stunning. Spiders. Spiders are pretty. They have pretty colors. Spiders have 8 legs. Some have 8 eyes too. Spiders have fur. They are smooth. Spiders have a mouth and fangs. The fangs bite. They help spiders eat. Spiders eat bugs. They like grasshoppers. Spiders are small. They can be very little. Some spiders are big, very big. Spiders make webs. They have silk for the web. Some spiders are black. Some spiders are white. Some spiders are brown. Some are many colors. Spiders live in the trees. They also live in barns. Webs can be in many places. Some webs are big. Some webs are small. Spiders are stunning.
Great job.